Namaste students. Today we are going to learn subject maths and the unit means chapter 1 linear equations in two variables, and in that last time we have learned the elimination method. Now today we are going to learn graphical method. Listen here, how to solve these equations. First we must do what? Do or take the value of y, means take this all these elements the another side. Understood? So listen here, how to do this. This is the equation, x plus y is equal to 0. So we must find out the value of y. So x is here, so take this x the another side. So x is plus, there x is equal to y is equal to minus x, because here is 0. Okay, x is plus, it goes to the another side, so it minus sign. When we take the any variable or any number to that side, if that have plus sign, then it becomes to minus sign. When it goes to another side, plus to minus, minus to plus, multiple to division, and division to multiple. Understood? Listen here, this 2x minus y is equal to 9. So take the sign of y is minus. Take this y to the another side, so it becomes plus, and the sign of 9 is plus, so it comes to this side is minus. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. Understood? Now we find out these points. Take the value of x. Take here 1. When we take the value of x is 1, then value of y is equal to minus 1. So what is the point? That 1 minus 1 is the first point. Understood? Then take x equal to 2. Then x equal to 2, then y is equal to minus 2. The point is 2 minus 2. Understood? Now take x equal to minus 1, minus 3, minus 3. Now we take the value of x is minus 3. Then minus 3 means minus minus plus. So y is equal to plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3. Understood? Now we draw these points on this graph. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here the right hand side, the all numbers are plus, and this left hand side, the all number are minus. upside of the y-axis all the numbers are plus sign, and down all the numbers have minus sign. Understood? So now put this point on this graph. First we write the scale. What is the scale? Scale is on both sides. Scale on both sides. Both axes. Scale on both axes what? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Understood? Now listen, which is the first point? 1 minus 1. Here 1, x is 1 and minus 1. Here is the point. 1 minus 1. Which is the next? 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Here 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. 2x and minus 2y. And third one is minus 3, 3. Third one is minus 3, 3. Minus 3 plus x minus 3, 3 means here minus 3, 3. Minus 3, 3. Understood? Now these points are in one line. They are, listen here, these are in one line. So now we draw the line. This type. So these points are appear on one line. So listen, the line is, what is the name of the line? That x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. We have to write here. Understood? Now the next one. That we know y is equal to 2x minus 9. So put here the value of x. We put 1. Then what is the value of y? 2, 1 minus 9. 2 into 1, 2. Means 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7. We know, we have learned that how to do this. First we write the sign of bigger number, that is minus. Then if both the numbers are sign different sign, then we have to subtract. Okay? If the signs are same, we must add this, make addition. And if the signs are different, make subtraction. Okay? Do subtraction. That is 1 minus 7. So point is 1 minus 7. Now we take 2. X is equal to 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 9. The bigger number is 9. So write the first, we have to write the sign of bigger number, that is minus. Then these both numbers have different signs. So when both the numbers have different sign, we must do subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. So y is equal to minus 5. So the point is 2 minus 5. Understood? Okay. Now we take x equal to 3. X equal to 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. There also the minus sign is bigger number have minus sign. So write first sign of bigger number, then both the numbers have different sign, so do subtraction. 9 minus 6, 3. Minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. The point is 3 minus 3. Okay. Now we will draw these numbers on the graph. Okay. First point is 1 minus 7. 1 is on x-ray, x-axis, and minus 7 is on y-axis. 1 minus 7. Here is 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7. Understood? Then next one is 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Here is minus 5. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Next one is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Here it is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Now we draw the line this time. So what is the number? Both the lines are here. That is the point is 3 minus 3. So we know the answer is what? X equal to, what is the answer? Answer is x equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. X equal to 3 and y equal to minus 3. Understood? Now we are going to सोनू बंद कर जरा. सोनू बंद केलं. The next example is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. So we have to do the value of y. In this equation we have to find out the value of y. So how find out this? Minus 3y goes to that side, it become plus 3y. Listen, minus 3y when goes to that side it becomes plus 3y, and this plus 4 when come this side it becomes minus 4. Understood? 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y. 3 is multiple to y. So when it comes to this side it becomes divided. So the value of y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. This is the value of y. Understood? Then next one, 3y minus x equal to 4. So minus x, when goes to that side, it becomes plus. So 3y is equal to x plus 4. Understood? Then 3 is multiple to y. So when it goes to here, to divide to this side. So y is equal to x plus 4 upon 3. These are the values of y. So now we have to draw the lines on that graph. So we must find out the points. So now we take the points. Listen here. Here is that 3 is at 3 is denominator. So the upper side means the numerator's value must be in the must be multiple of 3. That the value of this upper sides means this side, the value of numerator must be in the must be multiple of 3. So now we take the value, that is 5. 2 into 5 minus 4 upon 3. This is the 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 6, 4 is equal to 6. 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. Listen here. We take the value of x is 5. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 upon 3, 2. Y equal to 2. So the point is 5, 2. Now the next price. Listen here. We do the next at 2. When we do 2, then 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. So when we take the value of x is 2, then the value of y is 0. The point is 2, 0. Understood? The next one, that is we have to take the value of y is minus 4. Value of y x is minus 4. Minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4 means minus 8. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 and minus 4, minus 12. Minus 8 and minus 4, minus 12. 3 into 3 4s are 12. So the value of y is minus 4. So x is also minus 4 and y is also minus 4. The point is minus 4, minus 4. Understood? So we have to draw this line. We first draw this points and draw the line. 5. First 5, 2. Here is 5 and here is 2. 5 and 2. So here is the point. That is 5, 2. 5, 2. Next one 2, 0. 2, 0 means here is the point, that is 2, 0. The next point is minus 4, minus 4. Here is first minus 4 and minus 4. minus 4 minus 4. Here minus 4 minus 4. Here also, here that is 5 2. We have to draw this line. So difficult, but बंद करता है. Now, so see the next example, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. So we must find out the value of y. We know how to find out, that we must put the y at one side and other take another side. So here is minus 3y. So take this minus 3y to that side. So it becomes plus 3y. What will come? What will remain? 2x. And this 4 have plus sign. So it comes, when it comes to this side, it becomes minus. So what we get? That 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y. Understood? That this goes to that side, this becomes plus, and it, when comes it this side, it becomes minus. Then listen here, 3 is multiple to y. So when it comes to this side, it becomes divider. So what is the value of y? That is 2x minus 4 upon 3. This is the value of y. Understood? So now we must put the value of x and find out the value of y. Okay. First we must see this side. Here the denominator is 3. So the numerator must be multiple of 3. That is, numerator must be multiple of 3. So we must put the value of x carefully. Okay. So we put the value of x 5. 5. Then what will come? 2 into 5 minus 4 upon 3. Listen, 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 upon 3. This is a multiple of 3. So 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 2, 6. Y is equal to 2. The value of y is 2. So the point is 5, 2. Understood? Now, next for the next, we put the value of x is minus 1. Minus 1 means 2 minus 1 minus 4. Here 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 4 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Minus 6. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. So the value of y is minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2. The point is minus 1 minus 2. Understood? Next one, we have to put the value of x must be minus 4. Put here minus 4. No, plus 4. When do we do this plus 4? Then 8 minus 4. No, minus 4. Minus 4. So 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. So 3 4s are 12. So the value of y is minus 4. Understood? We have put the value of x minus 4. Then 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Minus 4 minus 12 minus upon 3. 3 4s are 12. So the value of y is minus 4. So the point is minus 4 minus 4. Understood? Now we put this point on the graph and draw the line, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay, first point is 5 2. Where is 5? Here is 5 and here is 2. 5 2. So put here 5 2. Okay. Next one is minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Here is the point. Minus 1 minus 2. Here is the point. Minus 1 minus 2. The next one is minus 4 minus 4. Next one is minus 4 minus 4. Here. Minus 4 minus 4. Here is this minus 4 minus 4. Now draw the line. Listen, these 3 points are appear on the same line. Okay? Appear on the same line. These are collinear points, and that is the line is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Understood? Now next one is 3y minus x equal to 4. Is x have minus sign. When it goes to that side, it becomes plus. 3y is equal to x plus 4. Now here 3 is multiple to y. So it goes that side, divisor of that side. X plus 4 upon 3. Y is equal to x plus 4 upon 3. Here also we must, this is the denominator and this is the numerator. So the value of numerator must be multiple of 3. So which number, which value of x we put here? We first put the value of x 2. 2 plus 4 upon 3. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 upon 3 means 2. When we put the value of x 2, then 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 upon 3, 2. So the point is 2, 2. Understood? Then the next point, listen here. When we put the value of x is 5, value of x is 5, then 5 plus 4, 9. 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. So the point is 5, 3. Then now put the value of x is minus 1. Minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 is equal to plus 3. Minus 1 plus 4 is equal to plus 3, because the sign of bigger number is plus. So minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3, or 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1. So what is the point? Minus 1, 1. Understood? So now put this point on the graph. First point is 2, 2. Here is 2, 2. Here is the point. 2, 2. Next one is 5, 3. 5, 3. Here is the point. Must write here 2, 2. And 5, 3. Here. 5, 3. And the next one is minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Here. Minus 1, 1. No, sorry. Minus 1, 1. 1 is y. So here is the next. Minus 1, 1. Listen. Minus 1 is x. And 1 is y. So minus 1, 1. So now draw the line. That is this type. This is the line. Where both the line intersect, the line is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. And this line we must here is this line, and this line is 3y minus x is equal to 4. Where these intersect both, where it intersect, the intersection is 4, 8. 4. Here is the point of intersection. Here is the point of intersection, and that is 4, 8, 4. The point of intersection is 8, 4. Listen here, when we put the point x is 8 and this is 4. No. X is 8 and y is 4. 4. X is 8 and y is 4. 8 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 4. Correct. Okay. Listen. The value of x is 8. Here is 8. Listen. 3 into y. The value of y is 4. And value of x is 8. 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Here is 4. Understood? So the value of x and y are x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. Understood? This is the graphical method. This is the graphical method. Very easy method. We must do this type. First we find out the values of x and y, and we must draw this on the graph, and then draw the lines and find out the point of intersection. Okay. Thank you very much.